Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to get a refund on Venmo in 2025. Whether you accidentally sent money to the wrong person or there's an issue with a transaction, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to get your funds back quickly and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Venmo app and make sure you're logged in. Head over to your activity feed, that's where all your recent transactions are listed. Look for the payment you want to refund and tap on it to view the details. This is crucial because not all payments are eligible for refunds, like those that have been cashed out or are older than a certain period. Step 1. If the payment is recent and still pending, you might see a Request Refund button right there. Tap it, select the reason for your request, and submit. Venmo will handle the rest. Step 2. If that option isn't available, your next move is to contact the recipient directly. Use the chat feature in Venmo to politely explain the situation and ask them to send the money back. Most people are understanding, especially if it was a mistake. Now, if the recipient doesn't cooperate, it's time for step 3, dispute the payment. Go to your profile, tap on Settings, and find the Help or Support section. Submit a dispute form with all the details, include screenshots if you can. Venmo's team usually reviews these within a few days. In 2025, they've made this process even smoother with faster response times, so keep an eye on your email for updates. Finally, if you're still having trouble, reach out to Venmo's customer support directly through their website or app. Provide all the necessary info, and they might escalate it for you. Remember, always double-check before sending money to avoid these issues in the first place. There you have it. That's how you get a refund on Venmo in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.